Welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel, we do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you're new to the channel, I welcome you to subscribe. Alright guys, let's go right to the video now.
Page 1 of 2 default page.
Hey, what is up everyone? In this video, I want to show you how to turn on and off voice assistant, the TalkBack feature on your Samsung Galaxy S9. So you might have gotten into this mode and it's a little bit annoying and you might not know how to get out. It's actually very simple. So you're going to be able to use this video in order to get out, and also if you want to enable voice assistant as well. So all we're going to have to do is you're going to swipe down with two fingers from the top.
Notification shade.
Okay. You're going to select the little settings icon right here.
Open settings.
And then double tap it.
Settings. Showing items 1 to 10 of 16.
There we go. So once you're here, you're going to select the search bar.
Edit box.
And double tap
Keyboard
it.
shown. Showing items 1 to 5 of 16.
And then here we're going to type in V. Double tap it.
V. Cursor to the end. Keyboard hidden. Keyboard shown.
And then
Keyboard
double
hidden.
tap
Keyboard
O.
O.
And then double tap O.
O. Sounds and vibration. Header. Showing
And then
items 1
double
to 8
tap
of 20.
I.
Apps. Header. Showing items 1 to 8 of 12.
There you go. And then you're going to get voice assistant. So select
Voice
that
assistant.
and then double tap
Keyboard
it.
hidden. Voice assistant. Voice assistant. Showing item 1 of 1.
And here is the voice assistant. So here we're just going to select the on switch and double tap it.
Tapping OK will stop voice assistant on.
And then select OK
button.
and double tap
Voice
it.
assistant off.
And there we go. Voice assistant will be off and your phone will be back to normal. And you can use that as well if you want to enable voice assistant. Alright everyone, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. And as always, I will see you around in the next video. Peace.